Did you know a typewriter in an old newspaper building has been printing death notices for living people since the 1950s? The Galloway Gazette, 4th floor. After midnight, workers would hear it. The clacking, slow and steady. No one sitting at it. They would pull the page out and read it. A name, a date, a cause of death. Survivors listed by full name, every detail, perfectly formatted, like it had already happened. One worker took a page home, showed the man named on it. 7 days later, that man was gone. Exactly how the paper said. Nobody could stop it. Nobody could explain it until they went back through the archives. Miriam Cross, obituary writer, 1951 to 1963. She wrote every column before the person died because she was poisoning them first. Always the obituary first. Always the death second. She died at her desk in 1963, mid-shift, never caught, never stopped, and she never missed a deadline.